Hey everyone. So, just want to share this um, short video to explain what's in the file. So I just looked at some topics and based on topics that performed well in the last year, just throwing out some titles. So one category that's performed well is general crypto risk management articles, right? So one of the best performing ones was 7 Steps to Manage Risk when Trading Crypto, and we could do something like that. Some other ideas have been crypto portfolio diversification and hedging. There's been a lot of pretty popular articles with that direction. The broader risks of cryptocurrency, I don't know how relevant this is to traders, but also has scored well. Step-by-step guides have been popular. Like here again, we see the 7 steps. Lists, 10 risks to watch, basically numbered risk management articles. Techniques and tips for day traders are very popular. And like answering specific questions on avoiding risks as a day trader is the last popular category reflected in these questions here. Then jumping ahead, it's the same thing, but this is for risk management, and this part is for technical analysis. So we have specific indicators, especially moving averages. Then we have technical analysis and how to use it. How to profit in a bear market has been very popular. Analysis of top coins is popular. How to use technical analysis overall. And the last one, and this is a bit more unique, like this will be unique to us, but the technical analysis of past prices. That is also something we could do. So we could say like 10 examples of technical analysis used for Bitcoin and explain how the information we teach could have helped predict trends in the past. So take a look at all this and let me know what you think.